Hello there, my name is Jachin Krishna. This is my Binance Future Testnet trading bot built on using Python. And the goal of this project to create a simple but professional trading bot application which can place order on Binance Future Testnet while following proper error handling, engineering practices, and clean architecture, including logging, validation, and the orders and clickable and actionable the requirements and buttons. So let me quickly explain the project structure. Here we have a structure including the trading bot. This is our project, and inside the bot, which is the uh, core backend of this entire project, where the core logic of the project is written inside each client.py, such as which handles the Binance API communication and request the signing, and orders.py contains the orders execution logic, validation.py where the validate the users and input like symbols, order type, and price, quantity, and order configuration like manage the logging and error tracking. So here we have all the application back like core backend logic. So like requesting API. Okay, you can see here response request get this URL. This is the for request communication, and login configuration contains which is execution login logic fields pass whenever user login in the Binance, and orders type of orders like status, average price, and the symbol which is the type of we are going to buy cryptocurrency, which is represented by the symbol, and side order type, quantity, limit, price, all which will be available inside the orders.py. These logic available here, and validates orders are successfully done or not. It will validate all the things here, and here configuration, as we said, manage the login and the error handling tracking. So this application supports both things like market orders and limit orders, including the buy, sale, and type. And for security purpose, we created here .env.examples. You can see same thing inside the .env, but for security purpose I am not showing here. You have to paste here your API key and API secret here, and we created git.ignore. So these files will be not public on GitHub. When you try to log in and try to check, this file will be not available there. So you have to create this file in your localhost, right, like this one, outside of the pod. And app.py basically the here for visual API web application, where we can directly choose by actionable button, a clean and interactive UI, and CLI.py for inside the command line interface we can do So these projects include both a command line interface as well as a web application dashboard UI. And as coming to the readme, which is here, you can see all the instructions and how to install requirements and how this application going to work will be written inside the readme. You can read here for installing, and it's easy to understand, and by following this you can run in your local host as well. So this is my GitHub repository, all the files, these are available here. How to run it, just copy it and go to in your virtual, like VS Code if you are using, then you can open in it, otherwise you can new terminal, and you can paste that link which is available here, and all the files which are available on my GitHub. You can install a local host in your VS Code. Right now I'm using anti-gravity. And here last one, this logs, which is basically responsible for the login and the order. All the logs will be stored inside this logs. So this is also not the public. And let's start with terminal, and let me show you a quick demo of this application. First, activate virtual environment. So type source venv bin activate. So virtual environment is activated. Now what is the method? This is also here. If you want, you can see here exact method you have to follow, like this. Okay, so these are the commands you have to run. You can change before that, like if I want to make it 8,000, I want to buy limit 1. Okay, so copy this. You can change this also if you want, since there are multiple symbol which are these right now. Okay, so coming to our command line, paste it here, you can see, and this will also start running. In every 4 seconds it will refresh. Simple, limit, information, server time, synchronized, placing by limit, API error code, message price getter, then max price. Okay, so these are the thing. Order failed, Binance API error, price greater than max price. Okay, so let's change it and make it 2000. And see, limit can't be higher than, okay, still higher. Let's increase the quantity 0.5, because I don't know exactly the market price. So order failed, Binance order, last price can't be higher than this. Okay, if we follow this, then just make it 98. Since we are using limit, if we use market, this is not going to fail. Order replaced successfully. We can customize price again 8,000 instead of 8,000 because it's very cheap. Let's make 30 only. Limit quantity side by type. Instead of limit, we use market. Type market and how this is going to run. Let's see the result. Failed. Something wrong here. Instead of limit, market. Okay. This is the thing. We are going to quantity 0.10 price. We can since it's market, we are not going to set our price. I'm not good in this, so I'm not aware actually how the trading goes, but little bit I get here idea since. Okay, if we set a limit, then only we need to set the price. If we are using the market, we just need to set the quantity, no price, because we are not going to limit, right? If you want to sell, then you can sell as well, this same thing. Instead of buy, let's sell it. Quantity, I will sell only 9 on the market price. Okay, no limit, only market price. So sale run successful and completed. These all things are showing here. If you are not comfortable with command line, then you can run python app.py. Here you will see this is your local host. Follow this link, it will defaultly open on the web application. So it's contain the symbols of the cryptocurrency here. These are the symbols of the cryptocurrency, and this dashboard show on the top all the available cryptocurrencies, market price. These two are going to up, don't know which is going to down. It is unexpected. So since it's live, you can see in each 4 seconds it will update, and you can choose from here. No issue, sell, buy, market, limit. If you choose market, no need to set price, just set a quantity 2000 times. So going to buy 2000. If you want to use limit, then you can use limit. Market, okay, this quantity, this order. If you exceed the maximum allowance possible current, okay, so this is very too much. I said this is market, no, let's at least 550. Let's do this. Buy market 50 new. Okay, done. We are going to order another one. Limit 50. Price 500. Binance error. Okay, limit price can't be higher than okay. Just one. So we bought this one. Okay. You can see here there is option. You can sell it to so both are orders in queue. We can cancel as well, we can order as well. Our wallet balance with available balance and realized P&L and margin balance, it's showing right now here. You want to refresh, this is the refresh button here. We can refresh by tapping on it. Account refreshed. These are the things here. Actionable, clean and easy to apply this trading bot, Binance Future, Testnet. And coming to the API part, we have this link. When you tap on this, it will reflect you here. When you open it, log in if you have account. If you don't have account, then create new account and log in it. Go to the demo trading API. After that, API management, you will see here and tap on it. You will see both API key as well as API secret. Paste both inside the environment. It will be so there something like this. Paste here and run simple command. If you want to using command line, if you are not prefer command line, then use application. So this is the things here. We can sell, buy, and all the things we can do. Since we close the application, it's failed to load. Okay. The activity log we have, it's like structure, login, exception handling, API handling, and logs contains the orders, placement, cancellation, API events, and account refresh. All the things will be saved inside the here. So this is the project which we perform very well and without any issue. And this project built on Python, Flask, and request. All the requirements are here, along with HTML, CSS for web application and JavaScript. Here all the detailed structure of the project and workflow, how to install and run locally. So thanks for listening, and if you have any feedback, improvement, query, please feel free to ask and give your feedback. Thank you again. See you again. Bye.